Body type women find most attractive. What if I told you the body you're killing yourself to build in the gym is not the body that most women actually want? Multiple scientific studies have zeroed in on the 3 keys to the male physique women are biologically wired to find most appealing, and it's probably not what you think. We're going to break down the massive misconception most men have, the exact golden proportions backed by data, and a simple action plan to build it. Stick around to the end, because the truth might just save you a lot of wasted reps and frustration. Section 1. The Great Male Misconception. Men grow up surrounded by exaggerated male physiques, superheroes, action figures, and bodybuilders, which creates a false idea that women actually find this attractive. Research shows that men completely overestimate how muscular women want them to be. Studies reveal that men think women prefer a body roughly 30 pounds more muscular than reality. What women truly respond to is perceived strength, not extreme size. Strength signals protection and capability, but that doesn't mean looking like a professional bodybuilder. The most appealing look is a balanced, strong, athletic build, not an oversized, unrealistic one. Basically, what you want to do is maximize your natural genetic potential with resistance combat training or any type of cardiovascular training that will help improve your leanness. Section 2. The Science of the Golden Proportions. Across studies, women consistently rate a clear V-shape, broad shoulders tapering to a lean waist as the most attractive male silhouette. Eye-tracking research shows that women focus most on the chest and abdomen and a low waist-to-chest ratio. Eye-tracking research shows women focus most on the chest and abdomen, and a low waist-to-chest ratio strongly boosts perceived strength. Body fat also matters. The most attractive level is around 10 to 15%, where muscle definition is visible without appearing extreme. Finally, proportions beat size. Balanced development of the lats, delts, and upper chest create an athletic build that signals health, capability, and real-world strength. Look, if you're finding this data-backed breakdown useful and it's saving you from the frustration of chasing a goal that won't get you the results that you want, my private coaching program is exactly where you need to be. It's a blueprint to help you build that lean, V-shaped physique without the guesswork and without wasting years in the gym. If you're serious about transforming your body the smart way, check out the first link in the description or the pinned comment below. Make sure to join now while the price is at its most affordable point, because it will be increasing soon. Now let's turn this science into an action plan. Section 3. The Attainable Ideal and Dad Bod Reality. The most attractive male body type is both healthy and achievable. Hitting 10 to 15% body fat requires a consistent diet with enough protein, whole foods, and a moderate calorie deficit. Training should focus on building the V-shape through pull-ups, presses, and core work while progressively getting stronger. As far as the dad bod, most women don't mean out of shape. They mean a strong man with some softness around 15 to 16% body fat. And also keep in mind that this is a trend, and most women go along with trends in masses without question. They want you to have this body so they can have leverage with looks in the relationship. Don't do it. 10 to 15% max. So what's the real takeaway here? It's time to stop chasing the impossible mass monster ideal you see on bodybuilding stages and social media. The science is overwhelmingly clear. Women are most drawn to the physique that powerfully signals health, strength, and capability. It's a body that is lean but not completely shredded, muscular but not monstrous. It's a body with a classic V shape, broad up top and narrow at the waist, sitting at a healthy and attainable 10 to 15% body fat. This should be incredibly motivating. The most attractive body types isn't a genetic lottery. It's the direct result of being healthy, strong, and dedicated. For those of you who want a clear science-backed roadmap to get there, my private coaching program is the fastest way to make that happen. I lay out the exact training and nutrition to build this physique without the years of trial and error. If you're ready to build a body based on proven data, click the first link in the description or the pinned comment below to join before the price goes up. And if you found this video helpful, you're gonna love this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.